Alright, so we just got over here with the Armytrix guys right now. We're about to get this baby installed. It's gonna sound so nice.
You have no idea, bro. Like, we're gonna do a sound clip before and after, and it's just wild after.
You guys are gonna see everything. Oh my gosh, I'm really hyped right now. Here's the R8 that they have. Apparently this one shoots fire too. My tips are gonna be like this, right, Blue?
Yep, they're gonna look just like that.
Awesome.
Hey. So this one has one pipe. I have two that are like split, and then like I have two on each side. So now it's just gonna be one like that. This is mine. Armytrix hooking it up. Check it out. Oh, it's all packaged.
Start to dig
You wanna pull it out?
Yeah, why not? Is this the key fob and everything?
Yeah, so.
Comes in a nice little fancy box.
Look at that.
So I can either use these to open up the valves, or I can actually use an app on my phone.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
This is gonna be one of the tips. I'll just get to the main section. This comes off the main section, and then this is your single tip now.
Oh, okay. Dope, dope.
And then that's the valve. So when that thing closes, it forces it through the muffler, and that's what makes it quiet. When it's open, it's just like straight pipes.
Sweet, sweet. Oh, you guys can see it kind of, the blue tip. Guys, when I tell you this thing's gonna be loud, wait till you hear it. I know it's hard to hear it on video, but it's gonna be noticeably extremely more loud. How much does it weigh?
Nothing.
Oh yeah. It's like 15 pounds, dude, it feels like.
It's like handed to Lizzie.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. This compared to my other one, which is like 60 pounds.
Yeah.
So this one's way more lighter.
So that's how it sits on the car, and then the two arms come off like that.
Dope, dope. I'm hyped. Here it comes. We're about to lift it up now. Car's in neutral, they're just pulling it. So that's what it sounds like now. I will show you guys tomorrow when it's completed what it's gonna sound like. It's gonna be dope.
It's gonna be crazy.
I bet, man.
Actually, we give you a little preview right now.
Yeah.
With that car.
We have the other R8 over there. I'm just gonna start this R8 up right now. This is the one that does have the exhaust. Oh my god. That's loud as fuck. Holy shit. Holy shit.
That's what your R8 is gonna sound like.
It's gonna sound as loud as that one start up too?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Just like this.
That is so loud. Hey, there's my car. So this is my old exhaust back here, and then the new one is put on. I feel bad. George and the whole crew had to come up here from an hour and a half away. Now you're gonna go an hour and a half back.
Trip.
I know.
Drop you guys off and drop this thing off.
Yeah. And then go all the way back up.
It's amazing.
What, the sound? I'm hyped.
I'm trying to get his old exhaust into the garage now. They don't want to throw it away.
There it goes. We got the blue tips on the back of the exhaust to match the car itself. I'm about to get my first reaction right now. Go ahead. Oh my gosh! Dude, that is so loud. Close up. Do it again, do it again. Yo, my ear. Oh my gosh. We're getting it off now. Hey, off the ramp. Even the idle is a lot louder. Sounds really good. Oh, go again? So they were just saying that my car will shoot fireballs when I'm driving?
Yeah, so just under load, drive it around a bit. Once it catches temperature and the exhaust is hot, nice and blue, then you'll get little backfires.
Oh, that is sweet.
Yeah. You'll film it at night. It looks awesome.
Oh,
I love it.
My gosh. Listen, this isn't even in sports mode, and it's just as loud as it was before. Right? Now listen, sports mode. What the?
So what's that?
That is insane. Oh my gosh. That is so crazy. I love it. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, no worries, man.
Oh my gosh. I love
NYC Motoring over here was really the ones who did all the hard work. I just watched.
What I think is so cute is you haven't stopped smiling yet.
Dude, it's so nice. I love it. It's so loud. It's like, even when it's not in sports mode, it's just as loud. as it was once before. And then when you put it in sports mode, even louder.
I know.
It's crazy. I love how the blue matches my chrome blue. And look, now I just got one pipe in there instead of two split.
Here with Lance, gonna explain how the remote works.
Little key fob thing right here.
There you go. On is open, so that's the loudest mode possible. Off closes, and then that is the quietest mode possible. And then auto is the one that goes off RPM.
Okay, so when it hits a certain amount of RPMs, then it'll just open up automatically.
Yeah, exactly. You don't gotta worry about it. Auto is what everybody drives in. And it is adjustable via the app that we'll pull out in just a second.
Sweet.
So if you wanna push, you wanna start the car?
Yeah.
The default setting is always valve closed, so off. It does that automatically.
Alright, so now it's on.
Yeah.
And it just lit up green down here too.
Yeah.
Cool.
There's also the fob down there.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. I'll try and show you. So this is what the remote connects to. It's like a little green light that displays when you hit the on button, and when it's off, it shows red.
And that's the OBD2 dongle. So that thing can also read anything the car reads, so it acts as a gauge. So engine temperature, oil, like TPMS, you can clear codes with it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so if you ever get any weird lights, you can actually clear them yourself. You don't have to take it to the dealer.
Oh, sweet, sweet.
You just use the app.
So I can just rev it now?
Yeah, you can just rev the shit out of it.
Oh my gosh, man. Sounds so nice. It's so badass. Well, it's on right now. If we turn it off, it's red. If we put it on auto, it turns like an orange tint. So this is the app.
So right now it's on, it'll go to off and confirm done. And then you can also go to auto. And
So
it'll
the app
confirm
itself, that's really cool.
And then you can also go back through and start messing with parameters. Like this is all live timing, so all these numbers are actually
Oh, that is
stats
so
from
sweet.
the car. So battery voltage, water temp, RPM, speed, oil temp, bar. There's no boost, so obviously no bar here, but that's what it
Wow,
does.
that's awesome.
And
That'll
then you
come in
can
handy.
also clear, where you at? Get out of there. Trouble code. So you go in here. There aren't any on, but when it does, it'll go through and it'll tell you what engine codes are going on, and you can just clear them.
Oh, sweet, sweet.
And it'll keep doing it. It's intelligent.
Cool. That is awesome. There's more stuff on this app than I originally thought. Thank you so much, George, for Armytrix hooking it up. Thank you so much, Rudy.
Thank
New
you.
York City Motoring. Appreciate it.
Thank you, buddy.
So right now we're gonna do a launch control with the Armytrix exhaust system to see how that sounds. Because usually the launch control sounds so much louder than just normally revving it. And then I'm also gonna do like a flyby clip for you guys. So Aiden's gonna go out there with my DSLR and record, and me and Lizzie are gonna get in the car right now. You ready for this?
I'm so ready.
The launch is gonna be so loud. Because it's usually just loud on its, like, so much louder than revving it on its own.
I love cars so much, so I have butterflies in my stomach right now because I can't wait.
What does that sound?
I think it's a water bottle.
Rumbling the entire car.
It's so loud.
And it's idled. That's idle, man.
I feel like vibration right now.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Look, I'm gonna kick back at Aiden.
You okay?
My car never spun out like that before. So I was like, what the fuck's going on here? It didn't catch.
Yeah.
It didn't lock. The wheels didn't lock. That is so... That is so loud.
The only thing I miss is the with the downshift. Oh, it still does it.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's how the car's designed. That has nothing to do with the exhaust.
Oh, oops. There we go. I love that.
Oh, it's making me like,
Cringe?
cause how loud it is. Yeah. Bro, that's with my windows up. That's the inside.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god, I love it. I freaking love it.
It's so loud. Alright, Alright, so I'm about to show my dad how loud this car actually is. He's probably gonna crap himself. Wait for it to warm up a second. Ready? This is not sports mode. This is not sports mode. It sounds like how it did before. Not sports mode. Ain't that insane? So Aiden was standing outside of the car the whole time. How loud was that, dude?
Bro, it hurt my ear. Like,
Is
my
it-
ear was popping.
Is it like almost too loud?
It's almost too loud. I mean, you're waking up the neighbors and stuff.
Dude, I know. I feel bad. I woke up one of the neighbor's kids.
Yeah.
I think they're a little mad.